Are you struggling with your CLAT preps? I am here to introduce the Indic CLAT revision course designed by a team of NLU grads to get you all set for the exam. We all know that revision is the key for cracking any competitive exam, especially one like CLAT. But often, students struggle to identify what to revise and what not to, which aspects should be given more attention, etc. We have chalked out a perfect plan of action for each subject, which will guide you to revise your entire course in just 15 days. We have over 300 tests here, including the new CLAT pattern questions and previous year questions, and more than 10 full-length mock tests to get you into the groove. Analyzing legal reasoning questions would be key to your preparation, and we have videos focusing specifically on that. There are a number of videos dealing solely with data interpretation as well. Capsule videos on reading comprehension and critical reasoning will equip you to tackle passage-based questions. Then of course, GK handouts are there just in case if you missed out on some important news. The course comes with a 15-day plan that tells which test to do when. Contents will be released daily as per this plan so that you are not overwhelmed with the materials. Come join us in this epic revision course now and make use of this to revise the entire course in a span of 15 days. Hope you don't miss out on this one. Happy learning!